Tuesday evening. Yeah, I give the blue F-150 a bath. You know, I've got a comment on a gentleman that said he used PEX pipe. So he used blue 1/2-inch PEX as a door striker bushing. I never thought about that, but that's about the same diameter. Yeah, that would work. Awesome work there, I should commend you on. Okay. Now, I flushed the radiator. The other day. Had a new radiator cap. And it's right at the full mark. It's where it needs to be. Alright. Check transmission, power steering fluid. It's a little dry. I think I'm going to have to put a pump on it. After all the miles the truck has on it, I think the pump is finally giving out. It does whine, but that hasn't, you know. I think the seal on the front is given because you see it's got some oil slung over here on the air duct and, you know, along the bracket here and all over the AC compressor. So that'll be something to think about in the near future. Going ahead and get the power steering pump. This little T right here, I had to replace that. I'd replaced one, you know, years back, and of course it broke when I was doing the flush. And I actually got another one. I had another one, so I didn't have to go and hunt one down. And of course I had a little access port in here where I could back flush it. Stupid me lost the cap to it, so I had to put a splice in it. I'll probably just put a new heater hose on it in the future. It's not been all that hot today. It's been in the 80s and humidity has been really kind of low. Been lucky at that. That should do it. Go ahead and check. And right there, just a little over the bottom line. So we're good. So everything else looks good for now. Oil change, it's due. I'll probably do that in the next few days. Oh yeah, another thing before I go, I'm actually thinking about ditching the topper here. Getting where I don't really have a need for it anymore. I don't haul groceries in it like I used to. And I'm just thinking about just returning it back to pickup duties. That's what I'm thinking about. Of course, these bed rails here on the red F-150, I'll take those back off and return them back to the blue truck. I'm going to put some tire foam on here off camera too. Recent vacuum. I vacuumed it, well, as I did the coolant flush. But alright, so that's about all for this video anyway. Just getting the blue F-150 out. I'm going to put some gas in it. Oh yeah, I cleaned the headlight housings up. They were getting kind of dingy. They were getting really dingy actually. But alright, well, hope everyone has a good week. Thank you for watching.